friends are there to show the care and help each other. And you and me, we are a team. Oh yeah, we're better together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hey, yes it does, yes it does, yes it does. Teamwork makes the dream work. Working together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hey, yes it does, yes it does, yes it does. Teamwork makes the dream work. Working.
Woo! They get close over there.
Oh yeah.
Listening and conflict resolution can help build trust and promote a positive work environment. Honest communication. Members of a successful team must be able to communicate. Oh, let me put on the glasses. The reader.
Glasses over 50.
Okay, so sharing really openly and honestly with each other. The openness of communication determines the effectiveness of a team. Effective living information such as schedules, deadlines, and expectations in a clear and efficient way to build your team. This being a person, I might just say, oh, you look nice. It doesn't hurt someone to give another person a compliment. No. But some people, it kills them to say, oh, you look nice today. Yeah. I've seen it with other people being around me. I'm like, but me.
Music on. Y'all gotta be quiet, baby, and I react. Y'all can't keep saying what y'all doing.
Just like a boss. Listen.
Wait, the song before the script?
Yeah.
Y'all pay Christmas?
How many? And so you already paid the $50, so it's $130. Okay, hold on. Let me cash out. All right. Is that DTK? Okay.
I love it.
Okay. You got my number? Yeah, leave over there. Okay. All right, girl. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I don't think all my braids the same size. Like, if you look at it good, some of them big, some of them small. Like, I don't know. It's supposed to be knotless, but I don't know. I was looking at it in the mirror real good, and I just when my friend who can't pick me up was like, it ain't knotless. It's boneless. No, it's not knotless. It's boneless braids. So I don't know. Like how y'all gonna fix it? Or maybe you could give me. Grab my manager. Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. I mean, she was excellent. She did a good job and everything. Talking to me, we had a good time. She cool and everything else, but I mean, this braids, I don't know, because see, I got some knotless and some boneless in here. So I don't know, some knotless, some one size, and then you got another one that's another size. I don't know if she didn't pull enough hair with it or whatever, but I don't know. You can look at it yourself.
Well, what we can do, I can fix up the ones that you're saying bigger than the others. If you have time.
I got somewhere to go. I got a date. I gotta go more hours. And I don't know. I think y'all should be able to give me my deposit back. Give me something back.
The
I don't know.
policy in a booking, when she sent you her booking, it's no refunds.
I don't know.
But we can fix this today or tomorrow if you want to.
What?
If not, I mean, I don't
They get close over that time.
Yeah, hello? You say you're on your way? Alright, it's 10 minutes behind schedule right now. I don't have too long, but you know, I'm gonna wait for you. Alright, I'll see you in a minute. What's up?
Hey,
What's
Tom.
up? The
How you
traffic
doing?
must was bad, huh?
Yeah, I need to talk to you about my hair.
Alright,
Yeah, well, you know, I came in Saturday. I got the relaxer and the cut. I'm not feeling my hair. I had to shampoo my hair out because me and my baby daddy got into an altercation. So I had to shampoo my hair, and I noticed that my hair was shedding, and I noticed that the cut wasn't accurate. So I need to see the manager because
well, that was 2 days ago. It still looked pretty fine to me.
yeah, but I'm not feeling it.
Alright, well,
Yeah.
just hold on one second.
Okay.
Let me go see what we could do about this.
Girl, I need to talk to you. I came to Tyson on Saturday. Tyson did a relaxer and a cut. I had to shampoo the style completely out because me and my baby daddy got into an altercation with him. But I noticed that my hair was shedding like girl, and then the cut was like uneven. It wasn't accurate.
Well, you wanted to cut right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's still right there. Okay, so what you looking for right now? Like, what you want Tyson to do for you?
I don't know, Tyson. You think you can redo it? Redo the style? I'm not feeling it.
Redo.
I mean, it's gonna cost a pretty.
You sure you didn't do no extra activities?
I got into altercation with my baby daddy, girl. I had to wash that out, but I didn't notice it until after I got into the mirror and
Cause I just saw you at the second last Sunday and you was,
yeah, girl.
been doing with your little hairstyle and all
Yeah,
that.
but when I got home, me and my baby daddy, girl, we got into an altercation. I had to wash the style. That's when I noticed that the hair was shedding, the cut didn't look right. I'm just not satisfied.
Okay, payment if that's what you want.
Okay.
But look, just to catch. We could do you something real quick because you got a busy schedule. You got another
Okay.
client coming in right now. So we could do you something quick, and when you come next time, you get 20% off.
Girl, stop.
I'm gonna give you
Okay, Tyson, we can work it out like that.
You can work it out like that, and you might
Yeah.
get a free honey. So
Oh, give him my hand.
Okay.
Give him my hand.
All right, girl. Okay.
Yes.
Tyson, we'll talk about it.
Call my phone, and
Okay, I'm gonna book my appointment.
All right.
All right,
All
let me
right.
talk about this baby daddy situation. 'cause
Give him my hand.
All right, I want to say this was a great team building exercise. The Jackie of all trades did an awesome job to bring Spice Divas together as one. We had so many different aspects of the class.
Wow.
We had team building exercise. We had shifting cards, putting the actual description to the word. We had icebreakers, taking a ball, throwing it to one another. We also had scenarios of how you can do better as far as with your clients and your as a stylist, as a manager. The class was awesome, y'all. If you want to know how to build your team,
Wow.
you got a book with the Jackie of all trades.
Woo. What's up, Geek
Hey,
Glam?
y'all. Let me tell y'all about this day. Today was an awesome day with Mocha, Shenee, the Jackie of all trades, doing a building team class. It was awesome. Everybody ate really good. The food is awesome. What we hear about Vegan Deli.
Woo, woo, woo.
It just brought everybody together collectively. I really enjoyed myself with all the games, just knowing one another, getting to know the next person, just getting to know them more and learning more about them. And then taking from this class, it's just going to prepare me to be a better manager.
All right. Woo, woo, woo.